Hello friends and fans of EVGA, and I have a really special video for you today. This is a double unboxing of the new Super cards. Specifically, we have an RTX 2060 Super and an RTX 2070 Super, and these are really cool cards. These build upon the cards that we did for the original 20 series, but these have even better value and even better performance, so these make a really compelling argument for anyone out there looking to upgrade. Let's go ahead and get these open. So I'm going to start here with our 2060. This one is our SC Ultra model. That is one of the kind of lower end models, but this one will actually come in very close to the MSRP price for a 2060 Super, and yet it still comes with a dual fan design. Those are full hydro bearings. So very little noise, very long life to those fans. It also has a metal back plate, and it has a dual slot design. So let's get this open. The 2060 Super itself. All right. This is really nice design. It is, like I said, dual fan. It's got those E's on the fan, which actually do help with laminar flow and actually make the fan a little bit quieter. On the back here, full metal backplate. There's this section backplate and then this other section backplate, but it is a full metal backing to the card. Up to 4 monitor support, so if you have an older DVI, that is still supported, which is really great for like overclocking your DVIs. You can do that with your DVI ports. Of course, an HDMI 2.0, so much these days is HDMI, so you gotta have that. And then 2 display ports. So if you want G-Sync compatibility, you can do dual G-Sync with this graphics card. And because it actually does have such high performance with the 2060 Super, something like 4K gaming or 1440p at a high refresh rate is actually now possible on a card that comes in at right around $400. 8GB card, not a 6GB, has the same bandwidth as something as high as a 2080 for memory bandwidth, same chip, same design. So this is actually quite a beefy little card at a really good price. And we'll move on to the 2070. This one is a 2070 Super, and I specifically requested that we go with one of our XC Ultra SKUs. The Ultra SKU, or the XC Ultra SKU in this case, is cool because it's actually one of our 2.75 slot designs. For the higher end cards, this is pretty popular. It means that you get really, really good noise and thermals because you've got a bigger heat sink. So let me show that to you. And the packaging is a little bit more dense on this one, a little bit better protection, though I have to say the protection on this one, at least in my experience, has been pretty good. This one's a little bit more overkill. And here we go, same as the other one. I'm going to peel the plastic away. Here we go. And if you're familiar with the 2070 or 2080 XE Ultra, this will be very familiar. It's just a refinement of that same cooling design, but anyone who's owned one of these can tell you these things are really cool and really quiet. Again, because it's so thick, that really helps out, but oftentimes in a desktop PC, you've got the space, so use that space for cooling. It benefits you a lot, so you don't have to hear your card as much, it doesn't run as hot. That in turn can actually improve the longevity of your card, or the longevity of just your play sessions. But this is the 2070 Super. These are the Super cards, and we're bringing out this video now because this is July 9th. I'm actually recording this a few days earlier, but this is going live on July 9th, and this is the release date for the cards, in the sense that we've announced it on the 2nd. Today you can actually buy either one of these cards. These are on sale now, availability on EVGA.com and on some of our retail partners. You may be asking, why no 2080 Super? 2080 Super's availability is on July 23rd, so hopefully I have a video for you by that point on an unboxing on one of those cards. Probably do the FTW3 because that's such a cool triple fan card. But for now, these have been the 2060, 2070 Super unboxings. Please join us for some future EVGA videos. We love bringing you this content, and we want to continue doing that. It really helps us out if you like the video and you subscribe to the channel. As ever, you have a good rest of your day, and thank you for watching.